Player number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, here we go. Pakingon sa commentator na dribble the ball number 1. Okay, dribble. Pass the ball to number 3. Number 3, kasi number 3. Dribble the ball. Pass the ball to number 5. Dribble the ball. Shoot the ball. Asa i-shoot ang ball? Dili ka mga ubing. Atong ring. Oh. Okay, yung fruit mga girls. Ito mga girls, kiso kita ba? Kita mo dapat pinaka-sexy. Again, maybe mga girls. Yan na ba? So far, mga boys, hindi na po. Before na play ang basketball, kasi wala sa mga players. Warm up, very good. Okay, music play, warm up. Okay, following drop, shake it up. Yan, warm up good, going down, down, up, down. Again, ang prize is 1,000 pesos each. So, winning team na to. Okay, here we go. Get ready, player number 1, take the ball. Pass the ball to number 2. Pass the ball to... Kuya, dili kumuton. Hawiran. Okay. Okay, dribble naman number 2, pass the ball to number 3. Dribble the ball. Pass the ball to number 4. Dribble the ball. Pass the ball to number 5. Pass the ball to number 2. Dribble the ball. Pass the ball to number 4. Shoot the ball. Okay, trial pa naman. Dribble the ball number 1, pass the ball to number 2. Dribble the ball, pass the ball to number 5. Dribble the ball, pass the ball to number 4. Shoot the ball. Ayan. Okay, 1 point all. Good girls, good girls. Easy mo tayo, girls. Okay, round 3. Okay, get ready. Dribble the ball number 1, pass the ball number 2. Dribble the ball, pass the ball number 3. Pass the ball number 4. Dribble the ball, pass the ball number 5. Pass the ball number 1. Dribble the ball. Dribble the ball, pass the ball number 2. Dribble the ball, pass the ball number 3. Shoot the ball. Okay, the boys team. Okay, 2-1, girls. Fight. Okay, round 3. Dribble the ball, pass the ball number 3. Shoot the ball. Okay, 2-1. This will be your last now because I'm going to try to you want to go. Last one. Dribble the ball, pass the ball number 2. Dribble the ball, pass the ball number 4. Dribble the ball. Pero kung bibas naman tumali. Hindi na naman, bibas na. Okay. Dribble the ball number 4, pass the ball number 1. Dribble the ball, pass the ball number 5. Dribble the ball. Dribble the ball, pass the ball number 2. Dribble the ball, pass the ball number 3. Shoot down. Shoot down. Shoot down. Shoot down. Ano ba? Yes, shoot down. Okay, ready. Dribble the ball number 1, pass the ball number 2. Dribble the ball number 2, pass the ball number 3. Dribble the ball number 3, pass the ball number 5. Dribble the ball, pass the ball number 4. Shoot down. Shoot down, pass the ball number 2. Okay, dribble the ball number 2, pass the ball number 5. Shoot the ball. Shoot down, hindi na. Okay, one last girls. Wait lang mga boys. Wait, relax na wait. Now you wait, best wait. Kasi sa mga girls. Ayan. Tagduwa daw. Tagduwa daw sila. Dalawa pa kagsaman sa mga boys. Uy, may cash yung ring lang. Wala may cash mas bayo. Okay, game 1. Game 1. Let's go. Okay, let's go once again. Our family, our dividend.